Hey guys, quick video today going over how you can see which channels are available at your zip code for YouTube TV. So what we're going to do is head on over to tv.youtube.com/welcome, and I'll link this page down in the video description so you can access it through there. But what we want to do when we're on this page is scroll down and find where it says your zip code. You can enter that in here and then click submit. So that'll bring us over to the next page where it'll show all channels that are available at your zip code. And really, there's just the general channels that are available to everyone. But specifically at your zip code, you can check out your local channels. And this will be unique based on where you live, which local channels that you'll have available to you. So you can check those out here under the local tab. An additional thing that I want to mention is you can do the free trial so you can see which channels are available through there before you even get charged. And what's really nice about YouTube TV is you don't even need to go through the free trial process. They give you a 20-minute preview so you can check things out to see all the channels that are available for a 20-minute period without even having to start the free trial. So for that 20 minutes, there's no commitment and you don't have to sign up for anything or give them payment information. So that's another great way to check out the channels and what's available to you through YouTube TV. So I hope this video was helpful going over the channels that are available and how you can access to see that information for YouTube TV. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.